So we're moving our way up from our last single crochet episode. That'll be linked in the description if you missed it. But this episode will be on half double crochets, or HDCs if you're reading the pattern. It's not a knot that's utilized much in crochet patterns, but it's great for wanting your work to work up quickly, but not wanting to use something that could possibly leave gaps, kind of like a double crochet. In this video, I'll be showing you two methods. The first will be pencil method, and second will be knife method. The knots will be the same, the only difference is the grip. I'll be using a category 4 medium weight yarn and the recommended 5mm hook. So to begin our half double crochets, we're going to start off making a slip knot in a chain just like usual. Once we have our slip knot, we're going to make a chain of 10. So I'll be showing you the pencil method first. Once we have our chain 10, we're going to block off the last chain that we made with our middle finger and our thumb. And from here, we're going to chain up an extra 2. And this counts as a half double crochet. So from here, we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to be working into that loop that we blocked off, or if we count it, it's going to be the third loop from the hook. So go ahead and yarn over, insert your hook into that loop, and then from here we should have 3 loops on our hook. So from here we're going to yarn over, pull through the first one, and slide it on down so you can see what we have. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. And for this one, we're going to yarn over, and we're actually going to be pulling through all 3 loops that we have. And this is our first half double crochet. And we're going to do this one more time. So we're going to go into the next loop. Go ahead and yarn over, insert our hook into our next loop. We are going to yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. And that is 2 half double crochets. So we've just done our first 5 half double crochets using the pencil method. Now we're going to use my method, the knife method. So from here, we're going to make sure that the hook is pointed outwards. And from here, it's going to be the same thing. So go ahead and yarn over, insert our hook into the next loop. And then from here, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Let's do this one more time. So we're going to yarn over, we're going to insert our hook into the next loop, and we should have 3 loops. Go ahead and yarn over, pull through 1, still have 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through 3. So this is our first row of half double crochet, and I'll show you how to start a second row for most patterns, not all of them. But from here, remember how we did the chain up 2 extra on the side? We're going to do that again. So chain up 2, flip our work, prepare for a half double crochet. So all that is just a yarn over. And then we're going to go ahead and go into the first loop. Insert our hook into the first loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And then now you know how to half double crochet. Thank you so much for watching this half double crochet tutorial. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or get at me on Instagram or Twitter, both at TCDDIY. And also feel free to leave some requests for patterns or how-tos down below. Lastly, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're liking the series, and thank you again for watching. And I will see y'all in the next one.